In 60 seconds, 3 AI tools to make QR codes, and 1 clear winner. First, we'll record each tool's steps, then compare QR clarity, scan reliability, and customization. Tool A, enter your URL, pick a basic style, click Generate, simple but lower contrast. Tool B, choose a template and colors, export visually appealing codes, but extra noise can affect scans. Tool C, advanced controls, high contrast output, clean edges and export options for print or web. Now let's put all 3 codes side by side and run quick scan tests to compare performance. Side by side comparison, same size, same lighting, identical preview for fair testing. Zoom in to inspect edge clarity, contrast, and any logo artifacts that might break scanning. Real-world scan test, using a smartphone camera to measure scan speed and success for each code. Results: Tool A scanned slowly, Tool B had occasional failures, Tool C scanned instantly and reliably. Recommendation: choose Tool C for best balance of customization, crisp output, and reliable scanning. Try Tool C now, compare your own codes, and subscribe for more quick, practical guides.